In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can insert a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. For this, you just need to active developer option of your Microsoft Excel. Here you can see that there is no developer option. So we are going to activate developer option. So just right click of your mouse on the ribbon section. Then you will see an option which is customize ribbon. Click there. Now there is an option which is developer. Check it and then click OK. And developer option will be appear. Look, this is our developer. Now we are going to the developer option. Here you can see insert option. Click there and this is check mark. And this is checkbox. Click there and insert as you want. You can resize it. We are resizing it. And we are going to delete this text. Just resize it and delete the text. Now you can see that this is our check mark. If we want to uncheck this, we can do it and we can check it easily and drag it to the last. You can see that this is our checklist, and if you want to uncheck it, you can do it. This is how you can easily insert a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.